Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about GnuCash, Quicken, and KMyMoney, and I will help you to decide which personal finance tool is better in 2025. So let's start with GnuCash. It is an open source, free, and supports double entry accounting. It is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, while Quicken is a long-standing paid software for budgeting, investments, and debt tracking. It offers robust features but has shifted toward a subscription model. And lastly, KMyMoney is another free, open source option that runs well on Linux and Windows. It is designed to feel like Quicken but with simpler functionality. And we will compare three of them. Number one, interface and usability. Quicken has the most modern interface with automation, while GnuCash and KMyMoney look outdated but offer flexibility and open formats. Number 2, budgeting and tracking. All three of them offers expense categorization and budget planning, while Quickens shines with real-time syncing and forecasting tools. And GnuCash and KMyMoney requires manual entry, but it offers accuracy and privacy. Number 3, investments. Quicken supports investment portfolio tracking, real-time quotes, and planning tools. GnuCash has a basic investment tracking, and KMyMoney lags in investments with limited investment options. Number 4, their pricing. GnuCash and KMyMoney are free, while Quicken starts at around $50 a year. So, in summary, you can choose GnuCash if you want a full accounting control without any cost. And you can use Quicken if you want advanced features, real-time sync, and investment tools. And lastly, you can go with KMyMoney if you are on Linux and want a lightweight alternative to Quicken. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.